How to scare away birds with old CDs. Put those old CDs to use and save your garden crops. Bright light reflecting off the CDs may be effective in scaring away many would-be munchers such as sparrows, blackbirds, starlings and jays. Things you will need: hole punchers, monofilament line. Break old CDs in half by cutting them or by bending them over the edge of a counter or other flat surface until they break. Use a hole puncher to make a hole near the edge of each CD half. Thread monofilament line through the holes and hang the CD halves in your garden or in fruit trees. Tips: warnings. Although hanging CDs is a good method of frightening away birds, the method is not likely to work 100% of the time. The broken edges of CDs could cut you. Only adults should break and handle them.